Hello, what is up everybody, Arf the Sun here, back with yet another diecast car review, and in today's video, we'll be checking out a random diecast car from Hot Wheels, which is the Hondaciviccustom. So this is number 710 from Hot Wheels Drag Strip, and number 172 out of 250. So let's go ahead and open this one up. So I assume this should be the third release of this Honda Civic EG Custom. And yeah, it came out in this, I don't know how to describe this, it's more to a white, I don't know, it's a white, what would you say about this? It has some design to it, it does, with some black stripes. Can I call it like a zebra type of design? I don't know, but it's quite weird, to be honest. I mean, it does have the Hot Wheels like logo, I guess, at the back with some Japanese writing, but I'm not sure how would you describe this design. But yeah, overall it looks pretty great. I mean, it looks fine, but I think the like blue one went better. Like the first time we got it, the first time we got this EG Custom was in that blue, I believe blue with like the black front bumper. There were like odd colors with it, with a white hood, I guess, and that was like a tribute to Ryo Asada, I believe. And then we got it in red with like a white front bumper, which looked terribly odd, which I didn't actually buy because I don't really like it. And then we got this one in its third color, and then I believe the next one would be this same thing but in a reddish yellow color. And I believe that's not in a regular release. I believe it's like a Kroger or something like that. I don't know, but it looks okay in this white. It does great. It does look great. I quite like it. But yeah, let's take a look at the car itself as usual. So here it is, Honda Civic EG Custom in white. Now as you can see, let's comment about the wheels. Obviously you have the disc wheels at the back in black, and then you have the 5-spoke rims in front with some red lining, I guess, in chrome. Interesting. So the rear right here, it says Hot Wheels. It has a Hot Wheels logo in black right there. You have like a circular HW logo right here in red with some Japanese writing right there, which is nice. And then you have this art style design. I don't know, I guess it's sort of like a interesting design. I don't know how would you describe it, but still it's yeah, it is something. So yeah, pretty interesting. That's for this side. Moving on to the front, we have a Honda logo, which is interesting for the hood right there. You can see that tiny Honda logo right there. Moving on to the front, you have the plastic front bumper in white. They kind of mixed it well with the metal white and the plastic front bumper, which is interesting. You have this big ginormous front grille, which is in black, and it kind of looks like, I don't know, a face that's like blurred out. I don't know, it's like a blur face, I guess. It looks weird from the front, but okay. You have this massive front splitter right here in black, which is interesting. So you have blue tint for the headlights, which is the same tint as the windshield, which we'll talk about in a bit. You have like this, I don't know, extra hood exhaust. I don't know, kind of looks like it. So interesting. You have a white interior, plastic white interior. Surprised that the base is not white. Instead they put the interior white, which I believe it would be better if the interior was black. Not entirely sure, but it makes the car great, I guess. So yeah, you have some blue tint for the windshield and the other windows of the car, which is interesting. So it has a combo of white, black and blue, I guess. So moving on to the other side, yeah, pretty interesting. It looks great. Just the other difference is wait. Yeah, it's the passenger's door. It has covered windows, whereas this side it has an open window for the driver side, which is interesting. Moving on to the hood roof, you have more of those designs, and I forgot to mention on the hood as well, you do have more of those black designs. This looks like a thunder strike sort of design, I guess. And yeah, you have an extended rear spoiler right here, rear lip, I guess you could say that, which is nice. Tiny little rear window right here. No rear light details, which is quite a surprise. And no license plate details as well. Well, not really a surprise for the rear lights because judging by delivery you can already tell. And yeah, that's it for the back. Moving on to the base, it says Hondaciviccustom 2021 Mattel and made in Malaysia, as always. But yeah, overall pretty sick car, not gonna lie. Even though we've gotten the blue and red one, honestly, I think the red one's, to me, the red one's the worst one. The blue one is considerably okay, but when I compare to the white one, I think it will go to the blue one better because the blue one looks more, I don't know, natural, I guess. It looks more originated, I guess. This one looks more to a drag strip type, not a JDM type. I mean, it does have the JDM like aspects of it, but I'm not really a fan of it. But still, the color looks great. The combo's nice. Overall, pretty sick car. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.